Hi friends, how are you? In this video clip, I am going to brief you on the preparatory process of spinning department. You know friends, I already covered 3 videos about the preparatory process of spinning mill. That is, first one is blow room line, second one is carding, third one is what? Draw frame. Now, I am going to brief in this video on combing department. Friends, please subscribe to my channel. Please like it, share it. Please click the icon bell for the notification gets about my videos in your mobiles. Friends, just I will brief in small what the preparatory process. In blow room line, the cotton is 3 to 4 varieties of cottons are mixed homogeneously fed to the blow room. In blow room, the cotton is subjected to baiting, opening, cleaning, dust and dirt removal, foreign material removal, metals or pins, whatever these things is removal, and the big lump of cotton is reduced to small tufts and small fringe of the fibers, that is balls, small balls of the fibers. Okay, still the fibers are entangled to each other. Those are all the things are there. That is output. That is the output of the blow room is the lap formations. In conventional spinning wheel, lap is formed, lap is produced, the lap is taken manually to the carding department. But in chute feeding, directly the freed fringes, balls of the cottons are directly fed to the number of carding machines by chute feeding. Okay, that is about the carding. In carding, the carding is the heart of the spinning process. 50% of the carding is done, 50% of the spinning is done in carding. In carding, the fibers, the lump or small fringe balls of the fibers are freed each other, individualized each other, freed each other. Still more, whatever the remaining dust and dirt are there, that is removed, and fibers are parallelized, combed first time in the carding cylinders. Okay, whatever the output is there, that is thin form of web that is condensed into the coil, condensed into the condenser and winded by the coilers and formed whatever the web form of the carding is, whatever converted into the rope form. That rope form is called the carding slaver. That is, carding slaver is packed in a can, that is called carding cans. Such 8 or 6 carding cans are fed to the draw frames. In draw frames, left side 3 or right side 4 or 3 plus 3 or 4 plus 4 carding cans are fed. And in draw frame, all 8 slivers or 6 slivers, carding slivers are fed uniformly to the drafting zone of the draw frame. In draw frame, the carding slivers are drafted uniformly and produce the fringe form output from the front rollers, and that roller is again twisted and winded in the drawing cans. Okay, drafting, twisting and winding taken place in the draw frames, and the whatever the output is there, the drawing cans. Those drawing cans are taken directly to the simplex or fly frames to produce rowing, that is reduction in the diameter of the material or strand of the cotton. In carding, the production is called, the output product is called carded slaver, that is strand material, the material strand is called card slaver, carding slaver. In draw frame, it is called drawing slivers. Okay, if the final in ring frame, whatever the production is there, if the production is carded counts is running, if the material is, the back material is required for the carded count, coarser count, say 6 count, 2's count, 10's count, 12's count, then the material draw frames are directly taken to the fly frame, that is simplex. Okay, for rowing production. But in case of the yarn produced for finer counts, say 50s count, 60s count, 80s, 100s, 120s, or the yarn used for knitted goods, hosiery goods, the hosiery counts, then one more process is required. That process, the one more intermediate process is required in the between the drop frame and the simplex. That department is called combing department. The machines processed in that departments are called combers. Okay, please watch my videos. More than 135 140 videos are running successfully. Okay, please watch my previous videos. All designs, all kinds, dyings, designs, fibers, yarns, calculations, so many things are there in my channel. Please watch, my friends. Okay, now I will start combing. In combing department, what is the purpose, intention of the combing department? Why the material strand drop frame is taken through the combers? Okay, why it is taken? Only because for finer counts in ring frame, to produce finer counts, 100 counts or hosiery count, to have highly strengthened yarn, the whatever the staple length is there in the yarn, that should be uniform. The raw material fed to the ring frame, that is rowing bobbin fed to the ring frame, should have the uniform staple length, high length fibers. There should not be there the short fibers. There should not be there short fibers. For carded counts, okay. For 2's count, for 6's count, for 10's count, short fibers, okay, because twist per minute will be less, and the diameter of the coarser yarn is also more. But in case of finer counts, the diameter of the yarn is very less, and number of fibers accommodated is also very less. How to give the strength? To give the strength, the fibers should have good staple, uniform staple, even staples. To get such a uniform good staple length and also cleaned staple, combing process is required. Okay, combing process is required. What is the back material for the combing? Whether drawing cans are directly fed to the combers? Okay, whether drawing cans are directly fed to the combers? No, there are still more. Drawing cans are fed to the lap forming machines, ribbon lap form machines. In ribbon lap, all number of carding cans, like in draw frames, the number of 4+4 or 3+4 or 5+5, those left hand and right hand creel is fed to produce a lap, not blow-room lap, comber lap, ribbon lap. Those ribbon, that is usually not twisted, usually small drafting will be there, but uniformly to make the sheet form, to produce a sheet form, the laps are produced. Ribbon lap, those are called ribbon laps. These ribbon laps are taken to the around 4+4 or 5+5 slivers, draw frame slivers are together making one ribbon lap, outcome lap. Such ribbon laps are fed to the comber machines. In comber machines, what is the mechanism is there? How the combers machine is there? Usually 6 heads are there. Usually, how can I say? In comber machine, not only like one drafting zone will be there, or one is usually what is there? Heads are the number of zones are more. Number of combing zones are more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When I was working in spin mill, I saw the 6 comber head machines. Okay, so I'm giving example of 6 comber heads. Okay, in each comber head are working separately. The in each case, in each heads are there, whatever the laps are fed to the comber zone, that is there also drafting takes place, and also short fibers are removed, dust, whatever the remaining dust and dirt particles are there, that is removed, and all whatever the entangled fibers are there, that is get straightened, parallelized, in each and everything. All six sides in this process is taking place. What are the process taking place? What are the objectives are there? Comber objectives. One is removal of the short fibers, removal of the dust and dirt, straightening of the fibers, mending the uniformity of the staples length. This is the objectives of the comber. Like that, in all six sides it will taken place. From all six sides, the output is coming. Again, the web is coming, thin web, like carding web, like drop frame web. All this from one comber head, the whatever the head is, the web is coming, that is condensed and condensed to the condenser roller, and again forming a sliver. Like that, from six slivers are taken together and joining at end of the machine. All six slivers coming from the six comber head joining together. Again there the final drafting takes place. Whatever the remaining dust and dirt or whatever remaining short fibers are there, those are all removed, and finally all six comber slivers are finally converted into one single sliver, that is coiled, that is twisted and coiled in a comber can. Okay, this is about the comber can. See, in importance I am saying, comber, now to make one ribbon lap, 4 plus 4 cans are used, and such 6 laps are taken and forming slab to make 6 slivers, and finally one sliver will come. Now you think, I am showing you just approximate, I am saying 6 comber heads are there. For 6 comber heads, how many drawing cans are required? Assume one, suppose ribbon laps required 4 plus 4, 8 slivers. To make one ribbon lap, 6 carding slivers are used, 8 drawing slivers are used. Okay, so 8 into 6, 8 into 6, 48 drawing cans are used to make one combing sliver. 48 drawing cans are used to make one combing slivers. Correct? You think, to make drawing cans, 4 plus 4, 8 carding cans are used. To make one drawing cans, 8 carding cans are used. To make one combing cans, 48 drawing cans are used. You think, in this passage, in this route, how much drafting of the fibers takes place, how much parallelization of the fibers takes place, how much dust and dirt will be removed, how much short fibers are removed, how much cleanity, purity of the fibers taking place. You assume. Cooked fibers are cooked, filtered, and finally the better sliver will come, that is fit for finer count, hosiery counts. Okay, this is about the comber machines, about combing calculations, about machines settings, drafting roller settings, whatever is their mechanical parts, calculation part, that I will prepare. Still more videos, each and every department I am planning to give videos on each and every department calculations, each and every department settings. Okay, already I gave some videos on each and every department about the humidity control. Please watch my videos. Okay, hope this is enough for you for the combing. Friends, I will come with the one more video about next video. What is that department? Fly frame. simplex frame, I will come with another video. Okay, please subscribe to my channel. Please like it, share it with your friends. Please click the icon bell for the notifications you get in your mobile. Thank you very much.